Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best solutions for managing clutter and keeping your workspace organized. Say goodbye to tangled cords and unsightly wires. We're talking about the CrocSee 10 feet 1/2 inch braided cable management sleeve, a product that's taken the world of cord management by storm. With an impressive rating of 4.7 stars from over 3,000 customers, this cable management sleeve is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek white design, which fits seamlessly into any home or office environment. Now, let's talk about its features. The CrocSee sleeve is made from durable polyethylene material, which not only offers flexibility but also provides robust protection for your cords. It can handle temperatures up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, making it resistant to heat and abrasion. Perfect for a variety of environments, from home theaters to engine bays. What sets this product apart is its clever self-wrapping design. The inner diameter of the sleeve is 1/2 inch, allowing it to accommodate 3 to 4 cables at a time. This means you can effortlessly wrap it around your wires, ensuring they stay neatly bundled and organized. And if you need to add more cables later, the split design allows for easy access without having to remove everything. Installation is a breeze. Simply cut the sleeve to your desired length, and you're ready to go. You'll find that the tight curl keeps your wires securely inside, preventing them from slipping out. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. No more tangled cords or unsightly wires ruining your setup. Not only does it help maintain a tidy appearance, but it also protects your cables from pets who love to chew on cords. For those of us who have furry friends at home, this feature is invaluable. Whether you're organizing cables for your computer, home theater system, or even in your car, the CrocSee sleeve adapts to any situation. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their workspace and reduce clutter. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best cord cover that is thin, flexible, and highly functional, the CrocSee 10 feet braided cable management sleeve is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, easy to use, and will transform your cluttered workspace into an organized haven. So, don't wait any longer. Check it out in the link below. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep your workspace tidy.